If you're seeing a Facebook error 404, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes you can try right now to get things working again. A 404 error usually means the page you're trying to open can't be found, but sometimes it's caused by a temporary loading issue, a weak internet connection, or even old browser data stored on your device. So before you assume the link is permanently broken, let's walk through the simplest fixes first. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. First, try refreshing the page. On your keyboard, just press F5 if you're on a Windows computer. If you're on a laptop or another device, you can also use the refresh button in your browser. This is the fastest fix, and in many cases, it's all you need. Sometimes Facebook just fails to load properly the first time, and a refresh gives the page another chance to load correctly. If refreshing doesn't solve it, the next thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and that other websites are loading normally. If your connection is unstable, Facebook pages may not open correctly, and you could keep seeing the 404 error even when the page itself is fine. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're on a phone, or restart your router if you're on a computer and the connection seems slow or unreliable. Now, if the page still isn't working, clear your browser cache. Old cached files can sometimes cause Facebook to load the wrong version of a page, or keep showing an error even after the problem is fixed. To do this, open your browser settings, look for privacy or history options, and clear cached images and files. After that, close the browser completely and reopen Facebook again. This often fixes display issues, broken links, and pages that refuse to load correctly. If you want to be extra thorough, you can also try opening Facebook in a different browser or using Incognito mode. That helps you test whether the issue is coming from your browser data or from Facebook itself. If the page opens in another browser, then the original browser probably needs a cache clear or a settings reset. Another useful tip is to double-check the link you're trying to open. A 404 error can appear simply because the page was deleted, the URL was typed incorrectly, or the content was moved. If you clicked a link from somewhere else, go back and try opening Facebook from the main app or official homepage instead of the broken link. So to recap, the best fixes for Facebook error 404 are refresh the page, check your internet connection, and clear your browser cache. Those 3 steps solve most common loading problems without needing anything complicated. If the issue continues after that, the page may no longer exist or may be temporarily unavailable on Facebook's side. I hope this helped you fix the problem quickly. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.